Afghanistan's acting Foreign Minister Amir Khan Mutaqi has written an open letter to U.S. Congress, calling on the United States to unfreeze Afghanistan's assets.
Without any doubt, the two-decade war after the 7th of October 2001 cast a shadow over the relations of the American and Afghan people. But fortunately, the end result of this long war was guaranteed and resolved through a bilateral agreement. The Doha Agreement envisioned positive relations between both countries in the future. We believe the full implementation of the Doha Agreement and commitment to it can open a new chapter of positive relations between both governments and people, which is in the interest of both countries.
The Afghan economy after the Taliban's takeover in mid-August has suffered from the U.S. freezing of over $9 billion in assets belonging to the Afghan Central Bank, as well as a halt in funds by the World Bank and the International Monetary Fund. Afghanistan is concerned that with no change in the current situation, the Afghan people will face greater difficulties, and the country will become a source of mass migration in the region and the world, which will create more humanitarian and economic problems for the world.